Samsung launched its new 5G phone under M series in India called Galaxy M55s, with a unique fusion design on the rear panel. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy M55s 5G features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 644 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Galaxy M55s 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 123-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, but sadly the company doesn't provide the charger inside the box. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 out of the box, with One UI 6.1 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 5 years of security updates and 4 generations of OS upgrades. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.9 by 76.5 by 7.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 180 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy M55s 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 22,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from September 26th, in coral green and thunder black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy M55s 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.